Land for sale. Welcome guys, welcome guys. Land for sale. Located at lot number 13, Research Terrace, Battersea, Mandeville, Manchester. Direction from Kingston, continue to Mandeville on the main road. Keep left at the roundabout and continue on the right, which is Greenvale Road. Turn left at the first island and continue. Research Terrace is on your right, lot number 13. It's on your left hand side beside house which is already built. Beautiful residential lot now available for purchase. Lot is 10,839 square feet and ready for your to build your dream house and pride. So keep on watching guys. I'm gonna give you a tour from Kendall Road. So you can keep on watching. You will see I will take you there from Kendall Road in Mandeville, Manchester. Very nice place, very close to English side. It's a very nice neighborhood.
True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah, land for sale in Mandeville, Manchester. Land in Battersea. So I'm gonna give you a tour. So I'm on Kendall Road. So I'm heading to Battersea. Lot 13 in Battersea. Land for sale. So I will keep left, will take us to Kendall Road. So the location where I'm going is lot number 13 in Battersea, and it's very close to Mandeville town. It's about 5 minutes drive to Mandeville town, and also same amount of minutes to Mandeville Hospital. So enjoy the ride. So if you make a left turn, it will take you back to Winston Jones Highway. But I'm going straight ahead to lot number 13, Battersea, where the land is selling. It's a very nice area, also close to Ingleside, one of the nicest, richest community in Mandeville, which is Ingleside. So I'm going to research Terrace, Battersea, lot number 13. So make a left turn. Pretty nice view. So in few more seconds, we'll reach our destination where the land is at sale, land for sale.